Good afternoon. My name is Kim Payne. I give permission to use this video as my testimony for my past existing condition with autoimmune deficiency, which is rheumatoid arthritis. I've been suffering from autoimmune deficiency for almost 10 years. It was very difficult to find any comfort in my medication, difficulty in sleeping, energy, and everything else that rheumatoid arthritis gives. I met Lily about 2 months ago, almost 3. Me and my husband went to her to, he had surgery with his hand, and he was trying to find comfort to relieve some of the discomfort that I had. I've been receiving therapy for almost 2 months now. There is a big difference in my therapy. My husband's hand is fantastic. He's back to work. That's awesome. My therapy is I'm able to sleep. I'm able to have quality of life. My sleep pattern, my energy, my ability to do things that I was unable to do previously. It's been amazing in my life, life-changing for me. I am very happy with my therapy.
My name's Catherine. I've authorized for you to share my testimony with whoever's interested. I've had pressure with my eye issues since 1995, and I've been using the Beamer for about 8 months now, and they've improved a lot. I haven't had to have any surgery. They put that off, and I'm hoping to continue to heal so I don't have to take any drops. I'm still taking all my drops. I've got to take 4 drops a day, several times a day, and that's about it.
Hello, my name is Delia Winchester, and I authorized this testimony. Prior to meeting Lily, I had a very bad case of, hip. And they wanted to do a hip replacement. According to the doctor, I had bone-on-bone osteoarthritis, and the pain was intense. Well, I met Lily. She started to give me the therapy, and praise God, now I don't have the pain that I had before. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Julie Jacobus, and I've had my device for about a year. At first I noticed a lot more flexibility and mobility and more energy. And about 7 months into having it, I decided to use it for the 3 cracks in the skin of the heel of my left foot. Over a year I had been walking around with those cracks and putting new skin on them to try to heal them up, and you take one step and they crack open again. So I decided to use my device, and I really just used the intensive local applicator for 2 days, and they completely are not cracks anymore, and I'm able to walk better. There's more balance, and overall I feel that everything is working better in my body. So I'm very ready to share my device with others. I'm at work and people come in and I help them too. So I just see everyone having one of these devices in their home to use twice a day, every day, and be the health insurance that we really need. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Debbie Pasnick. I authorize you to share my testimony. I was with the Beamer last week. I had a pain that was running up my stomach as a result of some surgery that I had a year ago. And after being on the Beamer and having 2 treatments, when I left, I could tell that the pain had subsided.
My name is Wayne Helms, and I give Lily permit to use this testimony in her business. I've been invited to give my Beamer testimony. A few years ago, I was diagnosed with an eye disease that has that wonderful gray area that blocks your vision, and one side wet and the other side dry. I was taking shots into the wet side for several months, a couple of years, and finally we got it stopped. At that point, the doctor told me the vision I had was the vision I'll always have because there's no way to improve it. But I was introduced to the Beamer through some friends of my daughter's, and after being on the Beamer about 4 days, I could tell that my vision was improving a little bit. I could read street signs, where before I was limiting my driving from no night vision driving, and my wife was driving me, but I could see street signs and read the names on there. About probably 3 weeks of being Beamer therapy, my vision had improved to the point to where I was beginning to see sort of a liquid around the gray area there, and liquid's a bad way to put it, but it's like a thinning area. Then after about 5 weeks on the Beamer, that gray area was just about all dissipated and gone. Then about the second month, maybe the 7th week, the gray was totally gone. I had a doctor's appointment shortly thereafter, and the doctor was very surprised, and matter of fact, he acted very strange because he had never seen the gray disappear in someone's eyes before. But he wouldn't tell me that this had been cured. But I now have the vision that I had before I was diagnosed with this problem. So the Beamer works perfectly well for me, and I suggest you try it too.